And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for the future. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for us. And I've been wishing, wishing, wishing for your laughter to land on me. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Yeah. Take this love that I got. If you want it. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for a reason. And when you came into my life, you were the one. And I'll be holding, holding, holding on forever, or as long as you want me to. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me, yeah. Take this love that I got, yeah, if you want it. Life sends this love around, for me to be keeping safe. And I won't let you down. Just let me hold you. And I've been wishing, wishing, wishing for your laughter to land on me. And as I lay your trust, your burden, lay your hope on me, yeah. Take this love that I got, baby, if you want it.
We had our ups and downs, baby. Sometimes we were tight, and sometimes oceans apart. Gotta learn just how to move on without you. Move on without you. We had our on and offs, baby. Sometimes we were tight, and sometimes everything but. Gotta learn just how to forget about you. Forget about you. When you call me up and sound so sweet, there's nothing to blame. But when you don't pick up for days on end, I see my mistake. I'm out of patience. Come out and say it, that it's over now, so I can stop chasing. We had our good and bad, baby. Sometimes we were smooth and sometimes out of control. Gotta learn just how to be fine without you. Be fine without you. when you call me up and sound so sweet, there's nothing to blame. But when you don't pick up for days on end, I see my mistake. I'm out of patience. Come out and say it, that it's over now, so I can stop chasing.